Good morning everyone, today we're looking at another Fossil watch. I did do some research about this, but I actually chucked out for another the other recording I did, so I'm trying to do it from sort of memory. So initially look at the tin. With when you order a Fossil watch, usually comes in sort of a contemporary tin like this, usually a simple lift-off lid. All sort of with these different sort of designs and stuff like that. This one's obviously got that full lined effect going around the outside. Very sort of summery really, but it doesn't really go with the theme of the watch, but there's probably a reason for it and why it's used. Simple manual usually comes jumping at you when you unbox a Fossil watch. Watch is housed in a simple cardboard box and this sort of cellophane around it inside. I don't like it when they put cellophane inside the actual box. So here we go guys, this is the Fossil Nate Chronograph. So it's got a 50mm case diameter with a roughly 'I'd say roughly around 12-13mm case thickness. It's not really thick watch relative to how big the face is. Retails around about £170, weighs probably 150 grams. And uses a quartz movement. So the SKU of this actual watch, I believe, is a JR1354. That's just from memory. So let's have a look at the actual dial here. So we've got a sort of a marble effect to the actual dial, as you can see here. You might be able to see that. Here you go, if I get a bit closer. Got like a marble effect to the actual face of the watch here, with greyed out hands. I often see greyed out hands. They're not white or anything like that. They follow the same sort of design as airport dial, like an airplane dial. You'd see these sort of hands and these sort of themes in terms of what's going on here. With this watch, you get 10 or 100 meter water resistance with it. Mineral glass, I believe, is going over the top of the watch, and a 24-hour readout, I believe, and a full working chronograph. So with the chronograph, you've got the fixed, it's not fixed, you get the unidirectional bezel going around the outside. It's got a nice strong mechanism to it, but I don't like that high-pitched click when it moves around, but that's just my personal preferences. Got a very nice firm click there. It almost gives off two bits of feedback, so as you start pushing and the actual click. So you get a nice smooth click mechanism to that there. And it's a simple wind-back function with a little bit of audio feedback as well. Coming down to the casing, I think this is probably going to be PVD stainless steel casing going around the outside. You've got an SR6216W battery as well to go with this. A decent amount of feedback to the crown. Nice feedback to the hands. It's a simple push-down crown, doesn't unscrew or anything like that. And a nice date dial with a good animation to it. Just a simple push-down crown that just slots in place just like that. So coming out to the strap, you've got a 24mm strap with black sort of stitching going all the way down the side of it. With single window system, the strap does feel very strong, and you've got nice thick windows as well to hold that strap in place. Consistent sort of stitching going all around the inside part of the strap. They're quick release straps as well, as you can see from these little lugs on the back here. Back plate is a full screw down screw down case back. Just a few more markings on the back here, just to familiarise yourself with. Lastly, let's have a little look at the buckle. So the buckle is again PVD stainless steel with a nice strong hinge in the actual system there. So there you go guys, that is the Fossil JR1354 Nate Chronograph.